In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks backpack sprayer. We have featured a 60-volt backpack sprayer. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your backpack sprayer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully remove the backpack sprayer from the box. The backpack sprayer comes with multiple nozzles, a double head, a fan tip, a single head, a 4-hole tip, and an adjustable tip. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing and removing the battery. Start by opening the battery compartment door. Align the lift ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the compartment. Then, push it in until you hear a click, and close the compartment door. To remove the battery, open the compartment door, press and hold the release button. Then, pull the battery pack out of the backpack sprayer. Step 4. Installing the spray gun. Insert the wand into the spray gun handle and tighten the base until it is secure. Ensure all connections are tight before use. Step 5. Installing the tank lid. Secure the tank lid by placing it onto the tank and turning it clockwise until fully tightened. Step 6. Adjusting the harness. Place the sprayer on a stable, elevated surface and slip the harness over your shoulders. Connect and tighten the lower straps, the waist belt, and the chest straps, in whatever order feels comfortable for you. The tank should sit high and snug for best comfort. Spray nozzles. Choose your spray tip and attach the nozzle to the wand. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely. This ensures a leak-free seal. Adding solution. Open the tank lid and add the solution or water mixture to the tank according to the product's instructions. Securely close the lid. Do not lift a full tank by the lid handle. Always use the harness when carrying a loaded sprayer. Operation. Press the main power switch to turn the machine on. To spray, simply pull the trigger and hold it. Release the trigger to stop the flow. For continuous spraying, press the trigger and slide the safety lock forward. To unlock, pull the safety back into its original position. When finished, turn the machine off. Maintenance. After each use, depressurize the system and empty the tank. Rinse thoroughly with a mild soapy solution and spray it through the nozzle to clean the lines. If needed, remove and clean the nozzle to clear any clogs. Always store the sprayer away from direct sunlight. And before winter, ensure all liquid is drained from the tank, hose, and pump. Regularly check for any signs of wear or leaks. Store the battery in a dry and cool location when unit is not in use. Follow the chemical manufacturer's instructions for safe disposal of leftover solution. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.